Hi, have a good day to all employers out there. My name is Rachel Banlasan. I am 43 years old. My height is 149 centimeter. I am from Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I don't have any serious illness or disease. I don't have tattoo on my body. I am a single. I don't have kids. I graduated of general midwifery. I have household services and CETO training. I have work experience in Hong Kong as a domestic helper with 5 employers from 2012 to 2025. With my second until fifth employers in Hong Kong, I do house cleaning, marketing, cooking Chinese food, laundry, ironing, and car washing. With my previous employer, I serve healthy grandma and grandpa by taking care of two small dogs and share job with Indonesian helper. With my fourth employer, I serve one couple, taking care of two kids, taking care of one small dog. With my third employer, I serve two adults and one healthy grandpa. With my second employer, I serve one couple and taking care of two kids. With my first employer or first working in Hong Kong, I serve one adult, healthy grandma and grandpa, and also I do house cleaning, marketing, cooking, laundry, and ironing. And also I have experience in Kuwait from 2003 to 2009 with one employer. I served one couple and taking care of three kids, ages 8 years old girl, 7 years old boy, and 3 years old girl, and share job with another Filipino helper. I am willing to taking care of children 5 years old above, healthy grandma and grandpa, and taking care of small dogs and cats, and share job with another helper, Indonesian or Filipino. I'm willing to share room with kids and another helper. I work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong have high salary than Middle East country. To my future employer, I hope, Mom and Sir, you will hire me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.